You ready? When I come up on a spot and I know there's a fish in it, and I'm just sitting there, feel like I'm basically standing on the water. You know what I mean?
Well, it gives you a different casting.
Well, yeah, but I guess like, and then like sometimes I'll notice a fish doesn't even follow or I don't even get bit, but I was so focused on the cast and felt so close. Like I'll stop and my heart will be thumping like I got followed or something, but I never even saw a fish.
Well, yeah, I mean, it gives you a whole different.
Oh man, it's different. Well, that and knowing if I set the hook, I gotta keep my balance.
Right.
Or I'm gonna be swimming.
It slows your hook set down, or at least the energy of it.
I don't know, not so much that, it just puts more thought, makes me think. I'm thinking about every single cast and I don't start thinking when the fish bites, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna beach up over here and chum around a couple of different spots. I mean, you can stay in the kayak, but I just want to be able to see which ones they're hitting, you know what I mean? So that's why it's not like you're sawing yours. But I got to be the whole. Because I have to hold that down. I'll bring it to you. Actually, this side's mostly fun. Yep. So yeah, good. Alright, go back. Slide side, right on it. There's a toilet right there. The toilet. A toilet, not a poop. It's not hard to see anything with top. We'll see something. Hey, kind of lob it. Oh my gosh. Got the sniper view. There's just a little bit of a little creek coming in right here. We'll anchor up, I guess, some way where the wind's blowing us against there and we ain't gonna get blown around. Chum in there because the current will push it out, and we'll just sit there until the current gets here or until the rain gets here. One. Okay, well, let's get over here and get anchored up. Bluegill. Bluegill. Back in over here like this. Yeah, sweet. So you're not having this up a little more? The fridge area out there? Huh? The fridge area? That was perfect cast, by the way. Perfect cast. I was just trying to get going in my hand. saw bluegill when we first pulled up. And it drops off. It's kind of sandy, drops off. There's a mouth in the this grass we're sitting on. There's a big mouth of it in it right there. That current ought to be getting to us before too long. That was a bluegill. I said that was a bluegill. I got another spinning rod and a bunch of bluegill stuff. You want me to tie it on for you? Sometime before that rain gets here, there'll be 100% be a carp in this little hole. There's no doubt about it. There's a whole school of bluegill right there. Those are all, I can see them coming up. They're like that long. Camera died, but we're going for a ride, boys. Got the new battery put in. I said I just got the new battery put in. Tighten your drag a little bit. Turn it towards your left. Now crank, crank, crank. Try to get him out of there. Hold on, we might. Hold him tight. Hold him tight. Hold it tight. If we can get it to come out of there, that'd be nice. He ain't got in there yet, I don't think. You still got him? You can loosen up now and fight him a little bit if you want.
I won't see him now. As long as I ain't, I don't think I'm in there.
He's a big one. He's a big one. I just seen it.
Is it a carp?
Yeah. He's right below you now, I think. He's in the grass a little bit, but he's a big one. Loosen your drag just a hair in case he decides to dive. He is right below the boats, boys. That's fine.
Well, turned it the wrong way to start.
Oh. Yeah, that's good. If he's pulling it, it's good. Yeah. You're good.
Like we pulled a skipper right on that boat one day, turned it the wrong way, and it was off.
You're good. That's fine. Did you? He's a good one. He probably realized he's getting worked shallower. He's pretty too. Did you see him? There.
I just saw him at one time. Oh, yeah.
I was literally changing batteries. That was perfect spot. That was the current we seen coming towards us too.
Yeah.
beautiful stinking fish. Look up here at me. Yeah, that's a big stinking fish. Golly. I'm glad you got a multi-tool.
Yeah.
He got it. That's a giant. That side right here is really pretty. Well, most of my weight's over here. Yeah, that's what we waited for. He's got right in his bullet. He had it for a minute. I'd say he was definitely the first one that pulled up on us. I can see it though. I'm getting a little bit of that now. That's not his eyes. Oh, beach. I can see it. It's just way down there. So I have it on the side here. Oh, I'll go. Almost got it. Almost got it. There's the hook, folks. We got it out of her. Me too. That was like a good fight too. That took us for a ride. Yeah, I'm very glad we were connected. Tied to each other, is that what you meant?
Yeah, that ended up perfect. I didn't have to worry about it paddling. All I had to worry about was fighting and you were paddling.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that worked out.
Yeah, that was perfect. The current got here perfectly.
Yeah.
Eric texted me earlier. You gonna be fishing at any point today? First of all, what kind of question is that, Eric? Second, and then I sent him that picture of me standing on the log above you.
Yeah.
And he said, tell Robbie to cheer up. And then I sent him that picture of you laying down. And then I just sent him that picture of you holding the fish. I said, he's fine now. And that current came with a vengeance now. Look at it.
Yeah.
No, when they turn two of them on and it catches up on you like that, though, it's kind of scary. Because instead of 2 inches it raises about 2 feet. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I mean, there would be an eddy right here if they turn 2 of them on. That's how the Europeans are about carp. They'll have a 2, 3, oh. He might have felt me. I might have forgot my own advice and didn't leave myself enough slack. But that was definitely something. It could have been a bluegill too. No, them alligator gar, they say you can like dry them out.
Oh, really?
Them Placo catfish, them ones in Florida,
Yeah.
you can take them out, like leave them out of the water for hours. Dry, like you touch them, think they're dried up. Put them in the water and they start coming to life. Fish on. Nope, come off. Nope, he's still on. Just as big. Maybe not just as big, but he's big. I don't know, maybe not. Oh, he's just a little lively one. We'll weigh this one and get an idea. Yeah. Yeah, he about ripped the rod out of my hand. Oh, I had forgot that was even up there. He's no sloughs. But like I said, he's doing a lot more moving than yours was. Like back and forth, erratic, you know? Yeah. I don't think he's as long though. He's probably 20 inches. He's not tiny. He's gold. Yours was like kind of got that sharp gray up towards the top. Caught him off the same chum pile. Same chum pile.
Really?
Never even had to throw no more out. I thought he calmed down enough. I was gonna pull him up here. Right in the stinking top of the mouth. I can get it. I just want to hold him better. I want to try to show where he's at. Maybe not. Just let me hold him.
That one's 20, mine was 3 foot.
I don't think so. I would have thought it was 3 foot.
Where's your phone? I'll get a picture.
Hold on.
Oh, you want to sing it?
Number 2. Big old turtle. Good Lord. He went under. There it goes. Look, 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 look. Fish, fish, fish. Came off.